Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to share with you my actual methodology, and I'm going to be explaining throughout what I'm doing, and you're going to see my notes, and you're going to see a lot of different attacks that I believe is going to be incredibly useful to you, especially if you're on your way to do the OSCP. So sit back, relax. I hope you learned something useful, and please enjoy the video. We sprayed hashes from the backup. Okay, so we found NTLM hashes in the backup shares of machine server accounts and found a valid set of creds. Okay, let's see, did we find anything else? It does not seem like it, so it seems this was the only pretty much right one, and we didn't spray just like the cred of the file server. We sprayed all the creds, right? So cat hashes too. Yep. So, and all of this looks correct in length and whatnot as well. Alright, interesting. That is very interesting though. Keep in mind, we have a lot of things to check still. At the start, you were a bit, or our arms were a bit tied, but now so many things have opened up, right? We still haven't enumerated, like, we still haven't enumerated netlog or sysvol or users. We've checked backup, can't read C, admin, okay. And there's so many things we have not checked, right? There's no reason to check curb roasting, because once you've checked curb roasting once, and you actually had the rights to do so, aka you had a password and username that is a domain joint machine, or account rather, which the first cred we found was, right? Basically any username and password you find in Active Directory is going to be that. And we found creds, or we found hashes rather, when we curb roasted, so we don't have to curb roast again. The same thing with ASCII roasting. We have found all of the usernames earlier using the red brute, and there was nothing there that was susceptible to ASCII roasting. We don't have to check the backup share again. Now sometimes it makes sense to, like, let's say you could read, let's say there was one thing called web that we had read access, right? We definitely would like to check shares again with a new user in the hopes that we have right there in case we can get a web shell, etc. But yeah, to keep it simple, basically whenever you get a new set of credential, you always want to check the shares again because new users has different access. But this is perfect. Let's see what this machine accounts can actually do. Yeah. All right, so file server. Okay, let's see. It says pond. Let's see, for instance, can it run commands, or is that too much of a stretch? Okay. So we can pretty much just execute code. So we can actually see all the permissions that this particular account can do. All right. It's in part of the domain computer's file server. Okay, it seems this is pretty much its GG. It seems this particular account can do pretty much anything that we would like. Let's say. It's in the main service group. Yeah, okay. That means that we can pretty much just do, for instance, wait, this is on the domain controller. We can probably just do NTLM then. We can definitely do stuff like LSA. Let's try that. So now we're dumping secrets and hashes. It's always satisfying. We can dump SAM hashes as well. These are the local accounts. So this is the local administrator. And if you find this video useful, then you're absolutely gonna love this. We have a massive, free-to-try, 25-hour plus OSCP course that you can see that people are just absolutely loving. That inside gives you all of the resources that you need to crush the OSCP. We have a massive roadmap that literally covers everything. We cover initial access, privilege escalation, Windows and Linux. We cover Active Directory. We cover post-exploitation. We cover lateral movement. We cover pivoting, tunneling. We cover the exam. We cover the reporting. We cover all of the attacks that you need and all of the techniques that you need for OSCP. We also cover all the rooms that you need to do, and all of the rooms is linked inside. We cover Active Directory chains as well, and we literally cover everything. And you will instantly get all of these resources once you join. So click the link down below, try it completely for free. I'll see you inside.